Hello, guys. It's Kate again, back with the Earn Network platform, your favorite and leading DeFi marketplace, created for everyone to earn yield on your favorite tokens and NFTs. Remember, we're backed by leading investors such as DFG, Marstow, Kronos Labs, Shima Capital, and we've partnered with many prominent projects like Magicraft and Dipius to launch staking pools for their communities. At the top of our page, you can see we have over 6,000 active stakers. You guys have earned over 900,000 in rewards total so far. Thanks to you guys, our platform has reached a remarkable 4.2 million in staked value, and we are supporting over 80 assets at the moment, which if you scroll down, you can see. Today, I want to show you how to stake the MERY coin. We're going to scroll down to the mystery staking pool right over here. Click view. All right. Cool. The first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet. Click MetaMask. All right. Now in the performance section, you see the available balance you have of the tokens you wish to stake. If you scroll down, you can see all the rewards that are available to you. Look, we got a lot for this one. Pretty cool, pretty cool. If you expand these little arrows, you can find all the information about each reward. For example, the eligibility requirements, you have the lockup period, holdings, the start date, how many rewards are left, everything you guys need to know. Very simple, very straightforward. Okay, now let's scroll back up and enter the amount we want to stake. Let's do, for example, 20 today. And you can, of course, choose your lockup period. The longer the lockup period, the more rewards you are able to earn. All right, so let's just do the maximum this time, 365 days, and click stake. Now we are going to confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. Fantastic. And wait, and wait, and wait. And we should be done in a few. Okay, and that's it. We have staked 20 MERY coins. Now, in the performance section, one more time, you can automatically see the staked amount has changed to 20. And if we scroll back down, we can already see we are earning on our tokens. Check out all these rewards one more time. And yeah, have fun with it. Enjoy it. If for some crazy reason you would wish to unstake your coins, you can do so right over here. For a full guide on how to do so, please check out our white paper linked in the description to this video. Okay, if you would like to check out all of your investments, click on this green rectangle at the top and click My Investments, and you can see all of your beautiful tokens earning rewards for you. As always, guys, be aware that you are the only one who can make these transactions, and your tokens are always safely earning on the smart contract. Okay, let's go back to the main page. Now, please check out all of our other crypto gems not available elsewhere. All right, we have a whole page, different sections, you guys. Something for everyone, I'm very sure. So don't wait, check everything out. Look at all this cool stuff. If you guys do have any questions, comments, or concerns, this little green happy button over here is what you can click to send us a comment, a message, a concern you might have, anything. We're here to help you. Very friendly and responsive customer support on our side. So don't be shy. Join us and enjoy your staking journey with the Earn Network. Thanks, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great one.